Hello guys and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this question that says x minus 3 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. So guys, the first thing we want to do is to simply rewrite 4 to be equals to 2 multiplied 2. So the original equation becomes x minus 3 2 multiplied 2 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 2 multiplied 2, and we can easily rearrange this to be x minus 3 all square into square is equals to 7 square all square right here. So we have this right here. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rearrange and set it to 0. So rearrange and set to 0, we have this to be x minus 3 all square into square minus 7 square into square is equals to 0. So right here we have this. So all we want to do is to simply apply the difference of two squares. So apply the difference of two squares, and the difference of two squares says if we have a square minus b square, this is equals to a minus b into a plus b. So applying this right here, we have that a is equal to x minus 3 all square and b is equals to 7 square. So let's apply this. So we have this to be x minus 3 all square minus 7 square, and we have this to be x minus 3 all square plus 7 square. So guys, this is it right here. So the next thing we want to do is to simply solve for this, and please note that this is all equals to 0. But you want to simply recall that if we have a multiplied b is equals to 0. This simply implies that a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 0, right? So let's simply solve this following this right here. So we have this to be x minus 3 all square minus 7 square is equals to 0. And we also have x minus 3 all square plus 7 square is equals to 0. So guys, let's simply simplify this right here. Alright, so all we want to do is to simply simplify, or we say expand x minus 3 all square, right? So this is going to be x minus 3 all square is equals to x minus 3 into x minus 3, right? And this is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9, right? So, and we also know that 7 square is equals to 49. So we have our original equation to be, we have this to be x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 49 is equals to 0. And we have x square minus 6x plus 9 plus 49 is equals to 0. So let's solve for this right here. So this will give us x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 49 will give us minus 40, which is equals to 0. So if we simply factorize this, we have it to be x square minus 10x plus 4x minus 40 is equals to 0. Factorize, we have x to be common, so we have x minus 10 plus what is common here is 4, and we have x minus 10 is equals to 0. And from this, we have that x minus 10 and x plus 4 is equals to 0. So we have that x is minus 10 is equals to 0 and x plus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 plus 10 and x is equals to 0 minus 4. So x is equals to 10 and x right here is equals to minus 4. So we can say x1 is equals to 10 and x2 is equals to minus 4. So we have been able to solve for the first part of this right here. So let's simply go for the second part. Alright, so from here we have that x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 49 will give us plus 58, which is equals to 0. So we solve using quadratic formula, right? So solve using quadratic formula, we have this to be x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all into 2a. So from here we have that a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 6, and c is equals to 58. Okay, so right here we have that x is equals to minus b, so minus into minus 6 plus minus the square root of b square, which is minus 6 square, minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 58, all into 2 multiply a, which is 1. Alright, so from here we have that x is equals to minus times minus is plus, plus minus the square root of minus 6 square is 36 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 58 will give us 232, all into 2 multiply 1 is 2. So right here we have that x is equals to 6 plus minus the square root of 36 minus 232 is minus 196 over 2. And x is equals to 6 plus minus, this can be written as the square root of minus 1 into the square root of 196 over 2. And from here we have that x is equals to 6 plus minus. We know that the root of minus 1 is equals to I, right? So this is I. The root of 196 is 14 over 2. So let's simply factorize the numerator. We have that x is equals to 2 into 3 plus minus 7I over 2. So this is going to cancel out this, and we have that x is equals to 3 plus minus 7I. So we have x3 to be 3 plus 7I and x4 to be equals to 3 minus 7I. So from this, guys, we have been able to solve for the values of x. So we have x1 to be 10, x2 to be minus 4. Right here we have x3 to be 7 plus 7I and x4 to be equals to 3 minus 7I. So guys, the next thing we want to do is to simply verify our answer. So we want to verify our answer. So let's say to verify. Now we have the four values of x to be x1 equals to 10, x2 equals to minus 4, x3 equals to 3 plus 7I, x4 equals to 3 minus 7I. So let's simply solve for x1 equals to 10, and we have our question to be x minus 3 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. And we have that x1 is 10, so we have 10 minus 3 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. 10 minus 3 is 7 raised to the power of 4, which is 7 raised to the power of 4. And we have this right here. So we can say that x1 equals to 10 is a valid solution. Okay, so we have this for x1 equals to 10. So let's go on to for x2 equals to minus 4. We have this to be x minus 3 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. X is minus 4 minus 3 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 raised to the power of 4, which is 7 raised to the power of 4. So from here, this can be written as minus 1 multiplies 7 all raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. And we have minus 1 raised to the power of 4 multiplies 7 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. So minus 1 raised to the power of 4 is 1, multiplies 7 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. This multiply this is 7 raised to the power of 4, which is 7 raised to the power of 4. And this implies that x2 equals to minus 4 is a valid solution. So guys, let's try out for x3. Alright, so we say for x3, which is equals to 3 plus 7I, we have that x minus 3 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. So for this, we have that 3 plus 7I minus 3 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. We have 3 minus 3 plus 7I raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. 3 minus 3 is 0, so we have 7I left, which is raised to the power of 4, which is 7 raised to the power of 4. So this can be written as, we know that I is equal to the square root of minus 1, right? So we have this to be 7 multiply the root of minus 1 all raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. And right here we have that 7 raised to the power of 4 multiply the square root of negative 1 all raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. But the square root of a is equals to a raised to the power of 1 over 2. So we have this to be 7 raised to the power of 4 multiply. We have this to be minus 1 raised to the power of 1 over 2 all raised to the power of 4 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. So from this, we know that 7 raised to the power of 4 multiply 2 here 1, 2 here is 2. So we have minus 1 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. So 7 raised to the power of 4 multiply minus 1 square is 1, which is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. So 7 raised to the power of 4 multiply 1 is 7 raised to the power of 4, which is equals to 7 raised to the power of 4. And this shows that x3 equals to 3 plus 7I is a valid solution. So right here, guys, I want you guys to try out x4, which is equal to 3 minus 7I, and leave your answer below in the comment section if x4 is a valid solution. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.